Ladies and gentlemen, we all are going to witness history going to be created here on this very stage today. So why not we welcome today's ceremony with a huge round of applause for Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited. Today is a very, very special and a beautiful morning, and hearty congratulations to the entire management of the company. This morning marks a defining chapter in a remarkable journey, a journey of trust, purpose, and promise. Canara HSBC Life Insurance, as we all know, is a leading Indian life insurance company dedicated to making financial protection simple, accessible, and trustworthy for millions of families across the country. Backed by very strong promoters, that is Canara Bank and HSBC, and with Punjab National Bank as a key shareholder. Canara HSBC Life Insurance leverages its pan-India presence to offer a comprehensive suite of term, savings, retirement, and investment-linked plans tailored to diverse life goals. Since its inception in the year 2008, the company has consistently delivered on its promise of trust and performance, achieving 500 crores in new business premium in just its second year and surpassing 43,000 crores in assets under management by FY 2025. And not only that, it declaring 250 crores in policy holder bonuses in FY 2026. I think that deserves a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let me tell you that today, Canara HSBC Life Insurance stands as a partner in progress for individuals and communities, enabling every promise made for the future to be fulfilled with confidence. And on behalf of Canara HSBC Life Insurance, we have here with us various dignitaries, and it's an honor to have these dignitaries today with us. So we'd like to welcome them. I request everybody in the audience to keep applauding for them and bringing more energy in the room. Firstly, we would like to welcome the Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Very, very warm welcome to you, sir. We have here with us Dr. Harish K. Ahuja, Head Issuer Relationships, NSE. Very warm welcome, sir. We have here with us CEO, Global Insurance at HSBC Life, Shri Edward Moncrief. Very warm welcome, sir. We have with us the Managing Director and CEO of Punjab National Bank, Shri Ashok Chandra. Welcome, sir. We have with us the Managing Director and CEO of Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited, Shri Anuj Mathur. Thank you. Warm welcome, sir. Also, let me tell you, can we have a huge round of applause for the leadership teams of Canara HSBC Life Insurance, Canara Bank, HSBC, and Punjab National Bank. Let me tell you, we have the management teams of the leading public sector banks from across the country. We have our book running lead managers without whom this would have not been possible, and all the wonderful esteemed guests present here with us. Can we have an applause for all of you, our BRLMs, a wonderful family. Thank you so much to our dignitaries for doing the lamp lighting ceremony. Can we have a bigger round of applause, please, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much. With this lamp lighting, we hope and we pray that our prayers reach the Almighty. The fire within us to be the best, to be a winner, and to succeed always also burns very, very bright. Thank you so much to the dignitaries once again. Ladies and gentlemen, now to formally commence today's proceedings, may I invite Shri Jignesh Panchal, Managing Director and Head, FIG, Motilal Oswal, to share his remarks. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir, please? Very, very warm welcome to you, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Very warm welcome to all of you from the entire management team and all the 5 BRLMs to this listing ceremony of Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Today is going to be a very memorable day when we witness the listing of Canara HSBC Life Insurance. It's been a long journey for us for the last 6 to 8 months where uh, put in a lot of effort, including the management team, the countless calls, the late nights, the follow-ups, and today is going to be the culmination of all that, where we will see the listing of the company. And this is a beginning of the listing is just the beginning of the journey of the company in the listed space. Canara HSBC Life Insurance is one of the leading life insurers which has delivered a profitable growth so far, and one of the probably only company who's managed to be profitable in the first 5 years of its operation. We have a very diversified product portfolio, strong banca channel. The management has always kept this customer centricity at its core with leveraging the trusted brand that it has, the strong support from the shareholders, and the governance that the company has. And back of this, I think we managed, all the BRLMs managed to get a strong demand for the issue. On the QIB bucket, we managed to oversubscribe it by 7 times, collecting total of 7,000 crores for a 2,500 crore issue. Uh, so this basically is a testament to the quality of the issue and how the company has performed and what investors have liked in the company. On behalf of all the BRLMs and the management, we acknowledge and appreciate the effort put in by all the intermediaries and all the teams who worked to make this a success. A special thanks to all the intermediaries, including the broking community, the registrar, the PR agency, the legal counsels, the auditors, the respected regulators, SEBI, the stock exchanges, both NSE and BSE, for supporting us in this journey. Uh, we all are grateful to the shareholders, all the shareholders, Canara Bank, HSBC Bank, and PNB Bank for giving us this opportunity to work for them and make this a success. We thank the management team for putting the trust in us to make this a success. Lastly, on behalf of Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, um, uh, we congratulate the team for a successful listing, and we wish you a great success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for initiating the proceedings. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, we have reached a very, very important segment of this occasion. We are going to be, have the presence of our chief guest right here. In just a minute from now, he will be joining us, and then he'll be felicitated from our dignitaries, and then he'll be taking a seat, and we'll be continuing with the ceremony. So I request you to just give us a minute's time as you're just walking in, and we will be felicitating him right away. Also, while he is, on his way, let me tell you that at 10 a.m. when the listing ceremony happens, there's a few things that we could do to make this occasion very much, a happier, more energetic one. At 10 a.m. we'll be having the customary countdown where I'll be shouting 10, 9, 8, 7. I'm sure you all know about it. So at that time, I would like you all to have a huge shout out where we could, of course, bring the roof down, but not literally. So everybody who's listening to me, I request at 10 a.m. the energy has to be like all the more high. Even when we have our chief guest right here, we would love that if you can applaud more. I do understand it's too early in the morning, but why not, have some more energy in the morning, yes? So we're just waiting for a chief guest. Once he comes in, we will be starting. Have our chief guest coming in, and let's welcome him with a thunderous round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Shri M.
Namaskar, and very good morning to all of the distinguished guests who are here. Thank you for being here. I would like to welcome our guest of honor, our chief guest, Mr. Nagaraju, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance. Welcome, sir. It's our honor to have you here. I would also like to welcome Mr. Vijay Srirangan, Chairman, Canara Bank. Shri Satyanarayan Raju, sir, MD and CEO, Canara Bank, Chairman of our board. Mr. Edward Moncrief, CEO, HSBC Global Insurance. Mr. Ashok Chandra, CEO, Punjab National Bank, CEO and MD, Punjab National Bank. Members of the board of Canara Bank, members of the board of Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Mr. Hitendra Dave, CEO of HSBC India. Welcome, sir. I would also like to welcome MD and CEO of various public sector banks who are here, who have graced the occasion. So thank you very much. A special mention for Mr. Mukherjee, our ex-executive director, Canara Bank. He has played a very key role in the listing of this company. The process started with his blessings. So thank you, sir, for taking out time. I would also like to welcome Mr. Chauhan, Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, National Stock Exchange. Thanks for giving us this opportunity to list at NSE in this August gathering. Thank you very much, sir. Thanks to all of you, our distinguished guests who are there for this special occasion for us. It's an event which happens once in the lifetime of the corporate. So we are very fortunate to have all of you here. Thanks for being part of our celebration here today. As I stand here and watch Canara HSBC getting listed on the stock exchange, I am reminded of how this journey began in June 2008, 17 years back, with the first policy issuance which we did, with a promise to meet commitment to our customers. Today, we continue with the same legacy of being Promises Ka partner, with a vision to be the most trusted partner in securing lives through simple insurance solutions for everyone, everywhere. I'm really proud of the fact that Canara HSBC Life Insurance has secured over 1 crore lives. It's a significant milestone for the company, and thanks to everyone here for being part of this. This moment is not just about listing. It's about collective efforts of thousands of people who made it possible. On behalf of Canara HSBC Life, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all stakeholders who have made this journey a real success. Gratitude to our shareholders, Canara Bank, HSBC Insurance, Punjab National Bank, and also our board of directors for your trust and belief in our long-term vision. To our distributors and customers, without whom we would not have existed, who have placed their faith in us as their Promises Ka partner. Thank you for allowing us to be part of their lives. With a claim settlement ratio of 99.4%, I'm really proud to say that in last 17 years, we have paid 75,000 claims. It's a big number. The reason for existence of any insurance company is to meet the customer need when it arises. So I'm really proud of that. I would also like to mention a few things about this company. We are following bank insurance model. We achieved our discrete break-even in 5th year itself, which is again, not many companies have done. It takes about 10 to 12 years for an insurance company to achieve break-even. So that's something. And for last 13 years, consistently we are paying dividends. We are profitable and paying dividends for last 4 years. So these are some of the achievements of this company, which has taken us to this part now where we are getting listed. I would also like to thank our regulators, IADI and SEBI, and also the exchanges, NSE and BSE, for the support provided in this entire listing process. Today we have with us our BRLMs, representative from law firms, auditors, media agency partners, and various stakeholders who actually worked really hard with us during last 1 year to take this company to listing. So I would like to thank all of them who are here. To my ExCo colleagues, CHL team, and over 8,000 employees who are working with this company, a big, big thank you. It is because of the employees that we have reached that stage with the support coming from the board and our shareholders. Our journey from here will be guided with focus to be present and penetrate throughout the country and help individuals to provide financial security to their family. We commit ourselves to do everything to support government's agenda of insurance for all. At this point in time, I will also like to thank government for a big benefit which got extended to this industry on 22nd of September, which is making life insurance premiums exempt from GST. So thanks a lot, and this is a very big thing for the industry, for us, and I would like to thank the government for that. So as the bell rings today and our company shares are traded for the first time, I want to emphasize that this is not the destination. It's a new beginning. The IPO marks the start of new chapter in which we hold ourselves to even higher level of accountability, excellence, and aim to create value for our investors. Once again, thanks to all of you for being here, for gracing the occasion, for being part of the celebration. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, my sincere gratitude to NSE officials for giving me this opportunity to stand before you continuously on the second day. That's actually the major thing, sir. And first of all, my sincere thanks on behalf of the Canara Bank and the Canara HSBC, sir, to Sri, our DFS Secretary, Sri Nagaraju, sir. I know that how much he was hectic last 48 hours. Continuously he was traveling on the road. Hardly he has taken the rest of 1 hour or 1.5 hours without any sleep. Even then, he is very much particular that he should be here for this function. That shows his love and affection on the banks and especially our Canara Bank and the Canara Bank group of companies. And it's really a proud moment for entire Canaraites and the Canara group, sir. Just one thing I want to tell you. This is a third subsidiary which is going to be listed. And one bank in India having 3 listed subsidiaries is a great achievement, sir. It's only one of the few. Very rarely you find any bank which is having 3 listed companies in their group of companies. That shows the transparent governance and the strength of their subsidiaries. My sincere thanks to the board members of the Canara Bank and my board members of the Canara HSBC Insurance Limited. And first, beyond these things, my wholehearted thanks to my co-partners, that's the HSBC and the Punjab National Bank, because when we have proposed in the 2 years back that we want to go for the listing, since the day they are with us and they have wholeheartedly support us, that's the reason now today we are before you. So because today we are here to listen from the keynote address from our secretary, I don't want to take much of this time. But one thing I want to tell the investor community as well as the employees of the Canara HSBC, it's a decision not for the commercial. It's a decision with a human touch. When we both are completely under our ownership, we thought that the listing gives the strength and stability of the governance of this company. We also thought that we can give back to our employees who are working for a quite long time. That is the reason, because of this listing, that became a reality. And now, because of the extension of the ESOP to all the employees became owners of this company. See, it's not that the only now two partners are there. Now we have thousands of partners are there, and I am sure that with the collaboration of all the employees, this company grows well. And finally, before concluding it, I want to assure all the investing community that whatever the transparency and the good governance will continue, and we will try our best to protect your wealth or the investment, whatever you have made in this company. Thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is my privilege to invite on stage the Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange of India, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Can we have a huge, huge round of applause for sir? Very, very warm welcome to you.
Shri M. Nagaraju, IAS, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Government of India. Shri K.S. Raju, MD and CEO, Canara Bank. Shri Edward Moncrief, CEO, HSBC Life. Shri Ashok Chandra, MD and CEO, Punjab National Bank. Shri Anuj Mathur, MD and CEO, Canara HSBC Life. Shri Tarun Rustagi, CFO, Canara HSBC Life. Shri Jignesh Panchal, Motilal Oswal. Sushri Sonia Dasgupta, JM Financial. Shri Ratnadeep Acharya, SBI Capital. Shri Samir Lotankar, BNP Paribas. Shri Niravayar Sindhu, HSBC Securities. Board members, employees, family members, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of Canara HSBC Life Insurance. NSE is proud to welcome Canara HSBC Life Insurance in our family of listed corporates, and now it becomes 2,885th company to list on NSE, further strengthening the vibrant and growing ecosystem of listed Indian enterprises. India's life insurance opportunity remains compelling, driven by rising income, a growing middle class, and increasing awareness. The sector provides the much-needed protection to the aspirations of 1.4 billion people. India today is the fourth largest economy and the fourth largest capital market in the world. Since NSE started its operations in 1994, the market capitalization of listed companies has grown about 126 times, reaching 464 lakh crore or US $5.3 trillion today. At NSE, our commitment has been to provide a platform that enables companies to grow, investors to participate in that growth, and India's economy to thrive. NSE today serves over 12 crore unique investors, holding 23.7 crore investor accounts, spanning 99.85% PIN codes in the country. NSE has emerged to be amongst the global leaders in IPO fund mobilization. In the current fiscal alone, 73 companies have raised over 1 lakh crore through IPO on the main board of NSE. A public listing is the beginning of a new chapter, one that reflects the company's performance, governance standards, leadership, and the spirit of entrepreneurship. We are proud to offer Canara HSBC Life access to a broad investor base, a fair, efficient, and transparent market ecosystem. I congratulate the entire team of Canara HSBC Life, merchant bankers SBI Capital, BNP Paribas, HSBC Securities, JM Financial, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors, legal advisors SNR and partners, PR agency Adfactors PR, and everyone else associated in this listing for their collective accomplishments. Today's listing is the beginning of a strong partnership between NSE and Canara HSBC Life Insurance. We look forward to support you in all your continued growth and future fundraising endeavors. May your journey on NSE as a listed company be impactful, prosperous, and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your best wishes. And I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please be on stage. And at the same time, I request Shri Anuj Mathur to please come on stage, as now to commemorate this wonderful event, we'll have an exchange of mementos. A symbolic gesture making this milestone a wonderful partnership. Very, very warm welcome. Let me tell you, that is, yes, let's have a huge round of applause. That is the iconic NSE. Just 2 more minutes to go, everyone. Yes, we can do the photo op, sir. Yes. Yes, we'll do the photo op with the dignitaries. This is such an important journey, ladies and gentlemen. We are truly, truly grateful to the book running lead managers, the legal counsels, the auditors, registrars, printers, communications partner, our esteemed guest over here, our shareholders. Wow, only 2 more minutes to go. Okay, everyone be ready. We're just very slowly inching towards 10 a.m. and we all want to be ready and welcome. So all be just absolutely there on your hot seats. And here, 30 seconds to go, everybody. And my voice is going to rise and I want the audience also to keep increasing with the applauses. We're going to start applauding just 10 seconds before. 20 more seconds to go, everybody. Okay, then now we will starting with the countdown, everyone together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited is officially listed on the stock exchanges of the country. Hearty, hearty congratulations to the whole team. At the same time, I invite Canara Bank management team to quickly come on stage for a group picture. The entire Canara Bank management team, I request you. And then we'll be having the other two teams coming on stage. Yes? Ladies and gentlemen, when I invite him on stage, I want this whole room to be filled with a lot of applauses. So ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure, it is my honor to now invite on stage Shri M. Nagaraju, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So very, very warm welcome to you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What a delightful day today, both to the Canara Bank and Canara Bank HSBC Life Insurance, and also to the NSE. I think all of us who are connected with the financial sector, I think it's a very good day for all of us. Congratulations to Canara Bank, HSBC, and NSE, and all the stakeholders and all the partners who made it possible to list it today. In fact, I'm really delighted. I think it's obvious to see at my face, even though it looks black, but it is. I'm very happy. I've been traveling in the in the sun last 5-6 days. Therefore, that's the color I got it. Now, I also like to take a moment to reflect, in fact, on what this occasion actually truly conveys the meaning. It's not just for the company, as I said in the beginning, but for the maturity of India's financial system. Under the visionary leadership and guidance of Honorable Prime Minister, since 2014, I think we have taken a series of landmark decisions in the financial system. What we actually see today are the fruits and results of those decisions taken since 2014. In between also, we have taken a large number of decisions. In fact, I think any financial sector expert will say we should need to list companies for two specific reasons, two just simple reasons. One is, of course, to unlock the value. The other is to improve corporate governance. The major big objectives. I think Canara HSBC Life has done this today. And we also would like to, we also have, I think you may be knowing, we have more than 100 subsidiary companies under DFS. We also would like to list some of them as soon as they become mature on the bourses, so that one, we can unlock and also bring more corporate governance and market oversight on the functioning and the performance of these companies. Now, in the last few years, I think all of you are part of this process, the journey of financial inclusion, and Canara HSBC actually part of that financial inclusion. And I was very happy to hear the words spoken by Mr. Mathur about the claims ratio. I think that's very good. I think that's a very good performance. I think the only way to improve financial inclusion by way of insurance penetration and coverage is by increasing the ICR. Unless we do that, there is no other short way. We actually have to ensure whatever is the risk ensured by the people are fulfilled. That is the obligation, moral obligation, and also the legal obligation. Instead of engaging circuitous route of denying, annulment, and all that kind of thing. I have seen the last 2 years at least, wherever the ICR is higher, the market share actually for those companies are improving now. And those companies which are actually not very friendly and finding a reason to deny the claims, their market share either stagnant or declining. I think this is how the market should reward and punish the players who are actually not fulfilling their obligations. I think all of us are very aware about the government's decision to exempt GST on insurance. And after that, we have our insurance coverage has gone up for all the companies. In fact, both public and private sector I think they are very, very happy with this thing. Now, I have seen, I think I have, all of you are seeing, I have a large number of CEOs and MDs of the banks, and starting from Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, UBI, and Bank of India, everybody is here. And I hope they are getting the message that you should work harder, faster to list some of your subsidiaries so that you'll be able to, the people of the country are able to participate in the value creation. I think that is the thing. Now, I hope with the listing of today, the company will continue to do well, and I would like to take this occasion to thank again, once again, Mr. Ashish Chauhan, MD and CEO, National Stock Exchange, and his entire team for doing a wonderful job, and Mr. Satyanarayana Raju, Chairman of the company, and the Canara Bank Chairman, Mr. Sriram is also here, and all the board of directors and the other participants for attending, and then finally for giving me the chance to come and show my face to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Can we have a bigger round of applause for him, please? Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your vision with us and for those words of wisdom. And I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, the MD and CEO of the National Stock Exchange, to present the iconic NSE bell to sir. And this is the beginning of a wonderful partnership, ladies and gentlemen. What an honor to have sir over here. Thank you so very much, Shri M. Nagaraju, sir, to please, to be here to grace this occasion with your precious presence.
सबसे पहले आपको आने वाली दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामना। आज कनारा HSBC लाइव के लिए ये ऐतिहासिक क्षण है और हमारे लिए बहुत ही आभार और आशा भरा दिन है। ये कंपनी 18 सालों से लगातार प्रगति कर रही है और हमें यकीन है कि आने वाले सालों में भी ये आगे बढ़ती रहेगी। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे चेयरमैन श्री राजू, हमारे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री अनुज और कनारा HSBC लाइव की टीम को दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। मैं हमारे जॉइंट वेंचर पार्टनर्स कैनरा बैंक और इन्वेस्टर, पंजाब नेशनल बैंक और बोर्ड के डायरेक्टर्स, मर्चेंट बैंकर्स और लीगल और सभी एडवाइजर्स को बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। इन सब ने IPO को सफल बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है। मैं भारत सरकार से भी IRDAI or stock exchanges ko bi vishesh davanyabad de nachatata hun. O hamare Yajman National Stock Exchange ke CEO Ashish Chauhan ko bada davanyavad ke inhonne homme yahan ane kasan man dia. Barat ek asha onse bara hua deshe. 1.4 billion ki jansankhya Donia Mesabad Sebadi, or serve 2.8% G1, Bima penetration ke sath. Is Shetra Mebadne ke Absa Apahe. Canara HSBC Life is the man Kopura Karane Kelie Kabil, or Tat Par He. Barat ki Tezi se information technology ke Pragati Ishdesh ke Vikas ka Andaharan He. Barat digital payment main dunia me sabse aage bad gaya hai. HSBC ke liaye Barat ek pramukh desh hai. Hum is desh me 170 se adhik vashon se hai. Agale 5 saal में हमें 20 नई शाखा खोलने का approval Reserve Bank of India से मिले हैं, जो पिछले 10 सालों में किसी और foreign bank ने नहीं किया. भारत हमारे सबसे बड़ा workforce hub है, जिसमें 45,500 employees हैं, जो पूरे विश्व के HSBC branches को support करते हैं. Canara Bank के साथ हमारे साझेदारी बहुत ही मजबूत है. पिछले 18 वर्षों में हमने भारत में global best practices को लाने के लिए एक साथ काम किए हैं. Bank assurance हमारा main channel है और Canara Bank और HSBC दोनों भविष्य में Canara HSBC Life के products को distribute करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है. इसके अलावा Canara HSBC Life alternate channels के माध्यम से विस्तार कर रहा है, जिसमें agency channel भी शामिल है. ये IPO Canara HSBC Life के लिए एक रोमांचक नया अध्याय है. हमें विश्वास है कि listing भविष्य की growth के लिए एक important प्रेरणा प्रदान करेगा. Okay, right, I'm gonna. I thought Chinese was hard, but wow. Okay. No, seriously, thank you all for having us. The stock is up, and I'm sure with HSBC and with Canara remaining as very strong promoters of this company, I have no doubt in my mind that Canara HSBC Life will continue to be a leading player in this market and to make life insurance and protection more accessible to millions and millions of people across India. I wish Anuj and the management team all the very best for the continued success as a listed company. Dhanyavad or Ujbal Bhavishya ki or. Namaste.
We are so grateful for him for doing that wonderful speech, for that very kind gesture. Edward sir, thank you so very much for that really kind gesture. It truly means a lot to us. Thank you so much. And that's what we call as global partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, now it gives me immense pleasure to invite on stage the Managing Director and CEO of Punjab National Bank, Shri Ashok Chandra. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir? Very warm welcome to you.
Thank you very much. Good morning to all of you. Thanks, Edward, for speaking in official language of India. Respected Secretary DFS, Sri M. Nagaraju sir, Managing Director and CEO of National Stock Exchange, Sri K. Satyanarayan Raju sir, Chairman of Canara HSBC Life, and MD and CEO of Canara Bank, MD and CEO of all the leading public sector banks of the country, MD and CEO of HSBC India, Executive Directors of Canara Bank, MD and CEO of Canara HSBC Life, Sri Anuj Mathur, and all the esteemed dignitaries. Very good morning and warm welcome to this historic event. I remember the day, I think somewhere in January 2023, the top management team of Canara Bank, where I was also a part of that journey, when we had decided to go for listing of two leading subsidiaries of Canara Bank, that is Canara Robeco and Canara HSBC Life. And today the dream is coming true with the historic listing of this great institution. And as our Secretary Sir mentioned that this is one of the biggest responsibilities which all the public sector banks which are carrying up, because we have a lot of subsidiaries and associates, and it becomes our responsibility to ensure that all the good companies doing well, I think we should move forward and ensure that we are going to list all those subsidiaries and associates. And in that direction, I think Canara Bank has shown the light. I think the guidance is very clear, and definitely all of us, we will take it forward. With this listing, I think visibility of the organization will go up, company will grow, growth will happen, more transparency and accountability will come, because as of now, this company was accountable for three promoters: Canara Bank, HSBC, and Punjab National Bank, because we too have 23% share in that. But today, after listing, I think the responsibility of the company is for the lakhs of investors who is going to take part of this growth journey of this Canara Bank HSBC Life. And as Secretary Sir mentioned about the financial inclusion, I think today this market is under-penetrated. Life insurance business has got tremendous potential, and I'm sure that the seed which was sown in 2008, 17 years back, it has become the tree, and with this listing, I'm 100% sure that it will become a banyan tree, which will provide the shelters of lakhs of Indians, rural masses, and that will be the biggest success of the listing which has happened today. On behalf of the Punjab National Bank, on my personal behalf, I wish the company all the best, and my thanks and gratitude to the entire top management team of Canara HSBC Life for making the dream come true. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your heartfelt wishes with all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, now we'll be having the memento ceremony, for which I request Shri Tarun Rastagi, Shri Tesh Rathod, and Shri Anuj Mathur to please come on stage, as they will be presenting mementos to our partners. We take this moment to appreciate the contribution of our valued partners, the book running lead managers, legal counsels, very warm welcome to you, sir. Let's have a huge round of applause for him, please. When the music stops, that's our cue for a huge round of applause, yes? So can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you. And with that, can we have a huge round of applause for dignitaries also for presenting the mementos? Thank you. I request you to please take your seats. I request Shri Tarun sir to please be here. Ladies and gentlemen, now I invite Shri Tarun Rastagi, the Chief Financial Officer of Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company Limited. Can we have a huge round of applause for sir, please? Very, very warm welcome, sir.
So good morning once again, everyone. Thanks a lot, first of all. So it's my privilege to stand before you on this proud and defining moment of all of us at Canara HSBC Life. Today we have reached a significant milestone in a journey that began 17 years ago. We are really honored and privileged to have presence of Shri M. Nagaraju, Secretary DFS, and other esteemed guests. On behalf of entire leadership team of Canara HSBC Life, I want to share our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have played a role in this journey. And to our shareholders, Shri Raju sir, Canara Bank, Shri Edward, HSBC Life, and Shri Chandra, PNB, Punjab National Bank. Thank you for your constant faith, partnership, and guidance. Your support has given us strength and stability to grow responsibly and with confidence. We are equally grateful to the government, NSE, SEBI, BSE, and to our regulator, IRDAI, for their guidance and policy direction. I would like to also thank our auditors, bankers, BRLMs, legal counsels, and other partners, actuarial team, for their trust, collaboration, and professionalism through every step of this process is very, very invaluable. You have helped us bring this milestone to life with integrity and precision. Thanks to our customer for their trust in us and to our investors. A special word of thanks to my fellow employees who's watching this right now for your dedication, discipline, and ownership, which has taken us to this place. On behalf of everyone at Canara HSBC Life Insurance, I extend my thanks to each one of you for being part of this journey and for joining us on this remarkable day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing, for the gracious words and for also summing up this very, very momentous occasion. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I do understand the strength has become half, but let's keep applauding while I thank, our partners, the National Stock Exchange, which is our host, every guest, our esteemed guests over here, the viewers, our shareholders, and all the wonderful people who took time to celebrate this momentous occasion. So let's once again applaud for everyone in the room, yes, and for Canara HSBC Life Insurance. Can we have a bigger round of applause as we are now officially listed on the National Stock Exchange? Hearty congratulations once again to the whole team. This is Dhwani Karya signing off, but let me tell you two very important things. One, the stage is all yours. You can come and take pictures with iconic NSE bell and capture this wonderful occasion in your photographs, as well as we have the F&B area where refreshments are served, so I also invite you over there. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Thank you.